Hi, I'm Latoya Lowe, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to make money cleaning out your storage rental. First, I would go through the items and create an inventory in an Excel spreadsheet. Once you do that, figure out what was the price that you paid to get that item, and then figure out what the going rate is for the item now. Everything depreciates in value unless you bought a Rolex. Once you do that, then you can figure out what you want to sell it for and make sure it's not over what the going rate is, because then people are not going to buy the item from you, they're going to buy it from somebody else. Also, you can hold a garage sale or a yard sale, but make sure to check with your city in regards to what the requirements are to hold something like that. You can also sell your items online, but many of the online platforms has fees such as eBay and PayPal. You want to make sure that your fees are not outweighing what you're making from the items that you're selling in the storage unit.